Whether you're crushing your enemies in Warzone or diving into immersive RPGs, your sound setup matters, and gaming earbuds are now better than ever. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best gaming earbuds of 2025, offering epic sound quality, ultra-low latency, and serious comfort for long gaming sessions. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Sony INZONE Buds Wireless Gaming Earbuds, the perfect companion for gamers seeking immersive audio and convenience. These earbuds are designed for PlayStation 5, but they are also compatible with PC, Nintendo Switch, and mobile devices, making them versatile for any platform. With 48 hours of battery life when paired with a case, these earbuds ensure you can game for long hours without interruption. The 2.4 GHz USB-C dongle provides a low-latency connection, ensuring there's no delay between your actions and what you hear. One of the standout features is noise canceling, blocking out distractions and enhancing your focus in the game. The 360 spatial sound technology creates an immersive, multi-dimensional soundstage, giving you a competitive edge. Whether you're playing on PS5 or your PC, these earbuds offer both comfort and high-quality audio, making them a solid choice for any gamer. At number 4, we have the HyperX Cloud Mix Buds, true wireless earbuds engineered for gamers who demand high-quality audio and versatility. These earbuds feature 12mm dynamic drivers, delivering immersive sound for both gaming and music. They offer dual wireless connectivity, a low-latency 2.4 GHz connection via the included USB-C dongle for gaming on PC, PlayStation, and Switch, and Bluetooth 5.2 for mobile devices and multimedia. The long-lasting battery provides up to 10 hours of continuous use, with the charging case extending total playtime to up to 33 hours. The earbuds come with 3 sizes of silicone ear tips, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for various ear shapes. They also support DTS headphone X, enhancing spatial audio for a more immersive gaming experience. However, some users have reported issues with connectivity and fit, so it's advisable to consider these factors based on personal preferences. Taking the third spot is the ASUS ROG Cetra True Wireless Gaming Headphones, engineered to deliver immersive audio for both gaming and everyday use. These earbuds feature 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, ensuring low-latency performance and versatile pairing options across devices. Equipped with ROG Speed Nova technology, they provide high-fidelity audio with 24-bit 96 kHz resolution, enhancing your gaming experience with detailed sound. The integration of direct audio optimizes audio performance, delivering clear and balanced sound across various frequencies. Designed with bone conduction AI microphones, these earbuds offer clear voice communication, minimizing background noise for a better gaming and calling experience. The Adaptive Active Noise Cancellation (ANC) feature allows you to tailor your environment, reducing ambient noise during gaming sessions or commutes. With a substantial 46-hour battery life, these earbuds ensure extended use without frequent charging. However, some users have noted that while the earbuds perform well in gaming mode, there may be a slight audio sync delay during Bluetooth usage. Taking the second spot is the Logitech G FITS True Wireless Gaming Earbuds. These earbuds stand out with Lightform technology, offering a custom-molded fit that adjusts to your ears for ultimate comfort and noise isolation. This personalized fit ensures they stay secured during intense gaming sessions, providing excellent sound quality without interruptions. Equipped with Lightspeed, 2.4 GHz, and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, these earbuds deliver low-latency performance on PC, PS5, PS4, and Nintendo Switch, as well as seamless pairing with mobile devices. The dual beam-forming microphones enhance voice clarity, although some users note it may not be as clear as high-end gaming headsets. With up to 7 hours of battery life on a single charge, complemented by an additional 8 hours from the charging case, the G FITS provide ample gaming time. The Logitech G FITS offer a top-tier gaming experience with comfort, sound, and versatility for serious gamers, making them a great choice for wireless earbuds. The Razer Hammerhead Pro Hyperspeed Wireless Gaming Earbuds top our list with their exceptional features designed for gamers and audiophiles alike. Offering 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, these earbuds deliver low-latency gaming performance and the flexibility to switch between platforms like PC, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and mobile devices. Equipped with adjustable active noise cancellation (ANC), the earbuds reduce unwanted ambient noise, creating an immersive experience. The 10mm drivers ensure powerful sound with a balanced profile, while the Razer Audio app provides customization options for audio preferences. With a 30-hour battery life and fast wireless charging, the earbuds are ready for long gaming sessions. The addition of Chroma RGB lighting enhances the visual appeal, making them a stylish choice for gamers. While some users report occasional connectivity issues, the overall performance, comfort, and durability make these earbuds a standout choice for gaming enthusiasts. These earbuds are truly built for the next level of gaming. And that's a wrap on the top 5 gaming earbuds of 2025. Make sure to check out the links below for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Thanks for watching.